Right. Hello people. I have a knife and I have a package. I got this package from Mei Leaf because I ordered more tea, as I said in the other video. Oh, what are you? Die. Some sort of something that has too many legs. Okay, let's leave the rubbish there. Right. So it's fairly light, okay, because I didn't order many. But let's just open it very, very carefully. Oh, bloody hell. There you go. Tea unboxing video. Very, very exciting. Well, for some. Of course. Of course. It doesn't want to be open. Come on now. Just rip it apart. There you go. Right. This is how it looks like. What on earth? What? Ah, because the cake is in this one. Oh, look at that. It's in the new pouch now. Look. And the back. So apparently, because I saw a video about this, and as it says here, this pouch is paper, food safe, ink and biofilm made using wood pulp, I don't know, from sustainable forestry, certified to disintegrate to good quality compost in home composting conditions. So pretty much you take this pouch and you can use it in your compost to make compost, because the ink and the whole pouch will disintegrate. Please reuse this pouch as many times as possible. Do not recycle. To dispose, please compost at home or dispose with your food waste. Brilliant. And there is a cute little label there saying what's inside. It's Jungle Starlet. That's the tea cake that I was... Oh, and I have another sticker like this. They keep sending me stickers in the packages. It's very nice. I really like it, actually. And this is my second sticker like that. That looks the same. Also, I ordered a filter. Right? Because what I am going to do with my next order at some point, I will order a glass Gong Dai Bay. So as I pour it out, you will see the color immediately, and this filter will fit on it. But I just ordered it bits by bits, and I got some really special tea, Jukuro, which I will try with my other teapot that you have seen a glimpse of the other time, and this is just filling. Right, let's open this one. Yes, it is paper. It just has this film on it, so it has this plasticky feel, but it's not plastic, it's paper. But as it says, it has a biofilm. I don't know if you can read it. There. If you pause the video, maybe you would be able to read it or something. Anyway, let's take this out, because I don't want to keep my cake in a pouch. There we go. There is the cake. Ooh. Funny thing with cakes, you can somewhat smell them through the paper. Oh, it is really strange. Oh, it's lovely. Oh, excellent. There's the cake. And there's, as always, there's instructions on the paper itself how to store it. Oh, this is going to be special, but I'm not going to open it just yet. No, because that will be for another time with another teapot. Yes, I don't have just a teapot for the green tea. I have something even more special for pu'er tea. Yes, and I will show it to you as well one day. And as you can see, I can't pack it back properly. Let's try it again. Let's put this one in first. Let's see what happens then. Make it tight. Put it there. I don't know how do they do that. It's just, I can't do it. But anyway, it's wrapped up somewhat. So yeah, that's brilliant. I just wanted to show you. So in the next couple of weeks I will review this in a special pot. And I will review this as well in a special pot. So, but first I will do videos about the pot themselves separately to keep everything nice and short. Alright, see you later.